Alright, spoiler alert. We made it. We made it. So, the exciting parts of this race is I raced 2 people, beat both of them. One of them wasn't too serious, the other one was pretty serious. And we both of us almost went head on into a semi. We literally had to go to the guardrail this thing happens all the time, you get used to it. Almost hit a cow, almost hit a horse, a baby horse. There was a cop, a police officer, who was in front of me. So he would turn his lights and be able to pass everybody. So I would just speed up right behind him, stay right behind him. And I wanted to pass him because I'm like, come on, man, I could like go twice as fast as you're going. But I didn't know, you know, like, is it rude? Is it disrespectful? You know what I mean? So I just, you know, kind of went at his pace till eventually there was a turn off and we split paths and I was able to just to gun it and get back on my speed. So, and yeah, so it was a good run. I mean, we're still alive. We made it back in the apartment, getting some AC. But now I gotta sweep this. Look at this shit. Look at this crap. What is it? Look at this. Like, does this remind you? What the fuck? What is that, private pile? What? You see that? There's people smoking cigarettes on the damn stairs. And guess who gets to clean it up? Your boy. Come on, if you can't have respect for where you live, where do you respect? You know what I'm saying? So I gotta sweep all this shit up. Pardon my language. Sweep all this crap up. And you just see the bottom floor. It's like some kind of raccoon or mouse or something walked with white paint all over the ground. Here, I'll show it to you. No, we'll leave this first. I'll show it to you next time in a separate video. So, in conclusion, it was a fun race. Much was accomplished. A good ride up Sapa. I'm still alive. What did I call it earlier? The great hunt, the great crusade, for the stars to come to me. I still am left seeking, still left waiting for those stars. So, anyways, it's Indiana Atticus coming at you all the way from Vietnam, saying, live long and prosper.